G'day guys, Greg here. Well, today's just a short video on how to reheat your meat pie using the old air fryer. Now I like using the air fryer for cooking because it takes less time to cook stuff, which means it uses less electricity. Unless you're using the microwave to reheat your meat pie, then that uses much less. But anyway, we're not doing that. We want a nice crispier, crunchier taste. So let's whack the old meat pie in the air fryer and cook her up. Let me show you how it's done. Now this is how to cook a frozen meat pie. So make sure your pie is frozen if you're going to be using this technique. So let's grab a pie. Alright, so just pull this out, whack your pie in. Now, the meat pie, you need to cook it at 180 degrees Celsius. That's 360 Fahrenheit jingles. And whack it up to 25 minutes. And we hit start. Here we go. And in 25 minutes it's ready. Giddy up! Alright, well the timer's gone off. I haven't opened this at all, so let's hope it turned out. Oh, yum. Ah! Giddy up to that sunshines. Look at that. Here. Crispy. Not burnt anywhere. Ah! Except my fingers. Nice and crispy. All defrosted on the inside. And it's actually the perfect temperature for probably eating a pie right now. That looks good. Beautiful crunchy and crispy crust on this. Yum! You know how to make it taste better? Some dead horse. Oh yeah. Ha ha ha, yes. So there you go, 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius and your pie's done. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time for my next video. See you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen.